It's your girl, Precious Stevens, aka the Draping Queen, and today we're talking about transforming those plain backdrops into something really special. We'll cover some simple swagging techniques that can really make a huge difference. Now, whether it's a wedding or a casual get-together, I got you covered. So let's get this party started and roll the intro. All right, let's talk about switching up your backdrop game with some simple swagging techniques. Trust me, these can turn any drab backdrop into something fabulous. But first things first, choosing the right fabric. It's kind of like picking the perfect outfit for an event, right? We've got satin, which brings elegance, chiffon for that soft, dreamy vibe, and velvet if you're going for luxury. Now, each fabric sets a different mood, so you gotta choose wisely. Now, the swagging techniques. Let's start with the scallop technique. It's really about creating those cascading swags that just flow down like water. It's super elegant and it gives a sense of movement. Then there's the swoop technique. Now this one's fun. Think graceful curves and loops, right? It really adds a playful touch and can really liven up any space. And don't forget the pleated technique. It's really all about neat, tailored pleats for a sophisticated and formal look. It's really great when you want to make things a bit more structured. But before you start swagging, guys, make sure to measure your backdrop. You don't want to end up short on fabric. And always, always, always iron your fabric first, guys. We don't do wrinkles around here, and your backdrop needs to be looking crisp. So there you have it. With these techniques, you can totally transform your backdrops. Just remember, guys, it's all about experimenting and finding out what works best for your event. Now, if this video has helped you step up your backdrop game, then let me know by hitting that like button and subscribing to the best premium draping channel. And you know the drill, guys. Stay fabulous, stay inspired, and keep draping like a pro. I'll see you guys in the next one. Then let me know by hitting that like button and subscribing to the best premium draping channel.
And don't forget to play the. You need some more wine? What's that's the secret sauce right there. Refill, waiter.
Oh my God.
You
You don't want to end up short on the fabric. Sheesh, this one long, nigga. Let me get my wine. Whew.